Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some beef shanks right here. You know what we about to do with them. We're gonna make them nice and tender and juicy. So this is my Sunday dinner. We already cleaned them up, let them soak, rinsed them real good, pat them dry. We have our vegetables right here. We have our spring onion, green onions, our spicy bell pepper, and our red onions. So that's what we're working with right there. We also have some potatoes over here chopped up. So we'll go ahead and season them up. Some scent. Boom. Okay. That's it right there. That's for both sides. We got our little baby onions, dried up onions. Add that also. That's also for both sides. And we have some garlic salt. And that's also for both sides. So now we'll go ahead and put some gloves on and rub everything together. Okay, so we're using extra virgin olive oil. Everything nice and seasoned. Okay, so we have 1 cup of water. I don't have no chicken broth, so we'll make it happen with some of the chicken bouillon and tomato. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon tomato. And that's all we need, is 1 tablespoon. And we go stir it until it mix in with the water. That's what I'm doing right now, stirring it up. We want that chicken bouillon to come together with that water. And that's a substitute for the chicken broth. So we're using extra virgin olive oil. And remember, you can use olive oil on the salad. Olive oil is good for you. And this is my Sunday dinner. Okay, so that's how yeah, that's one thing. That's all good. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now let's cut the potatoes a nice size. We'll add a little seasoning to the vegetables, to our vegetables and potatoes. We add some tomatoes, fresh from the garden. Onion. My spicy bell pepper. I have to ask my wife what's the name of this, because we got this straight from the garden. We let it dry out. So this is like Thai basil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just break it up. There. Thai basil. And here our chicken broth tomato. One cup. There we go. Now we famous. Now it's time to get this bad boy in the oven. Preheated to 400. I'll see y'all in a couple hours. Okay, so that's how we looking right here. Look at that. Yeah. Now it's time for us to make our good gravy. And yes, we're going to use some of this juice right here for our gravy. It's nice and tender. But we're not finished with it just yet. Can't tell me that don't look good. Alright. So we'll go ahead and let this sit for a minute. We'll start our gravy. Okay, so we have a half a stick of butter right here. Imperial butter. And a half a cup all-purpose flour. mix everything together like so. Have your fire on medium heat. And just give it a nice little stir. It'll get 3 to 4 minutes. Just like so. Okay, so we're going to use some of the juice. So that's about a cup full right there. That's a cup full. Whatever type of onions you want to you have a taste for, just add them to your gravy. So to give it that nice flavor. That good gravy right there. Look at it. A half a cup of flour go a long ways. And you just measure with your eyes. You know, pour your water or the juice from whatever you're making in the oven or boiling. Some boiling water. And just eyeball it. That's all you gotta do. And it'll all come together. Add a little potatoes. A little bit of bell peppers. Now we're gonna add our beef shank. Look at that beef shank right there. Smothered in straight gravy. Okay, go ahead and turn it down and let everything come together. I'm gonna put it on low, turn it to low. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. We have our beef shank and gravy with the baked potatoes. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. The gravy came out just right. And that's how we look. When I say this is fire, this is fire. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.